Hey, I'm recording Jasper in the Jolly Jumper. It is May 7th. He's 11 months old, 11 months and 1 week. He knows how to jump. Do you know how to jump, Jasper? You looking at your toys up there? He likes to yell when he's in the Jolly Jumper. To be honest, he likes to yell all the time. Hey, Jasper. Turn around, bud. We gotta at least get some smiles on here. Ah. What are you saying ah for? Come here, buddy. Turn around. Well, here's a good video of his back jumping. Oh, there he is. Jasper. Oh, the other way. Come around to the front. Give me a couple smiles. Oh, yeah, we need smiles. My goodness. That sounds important. He's very fascinated with his toys that are hung up there. Alright, that's enough recording.